So yeah, hey, Bill Adams, your benevolent car czar here. We're over at Adams Autoworx talking about, getting your cars ready to run here for Christmas and winter and holidays. And we've seen some really weird stuff going on where folks are driving cars that are a little bit older. Maybe they didn't quite get the maintenance that they should have gotten taken care of. And you end up, instead of having a maintenance job, you end up doing a repair job. Two different things. Two different things. So we want to make sure that we stay on the maintenance side, a lot less expensive than if you get on the repair side. Because if you get on the repair side, sometimes you end up with something like this. Oh, that's not good. Man, if your car does that, that's a bad day. If you see me smiling like this, that's a really bad day. But no, and it's not just BMWs, folks. It can be any car, but they get some weird stuff going on, and you don't want to be that guy. So get your car in, get it in ahead of time, get it checked out, so you don't have to be that guy.